Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of waxing, and I'm so excited to share my personal tips and tricks with you all. Whether you're a waxing newbie or a seasoned pro, these 12 secrets will totally up your waxing game and leave your skin feeling smooth and flawless. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get started. Alright babes, let's dive into the first secret to achieving that perfect smooth skin you've always dreamed of. Secret number 1 might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. It's all about preparation. Before you even think about picking up that waxing strip, you need to ensure your skin is in the best possible condition. Make sure your skin is completely clean and dry. We're talking squeaky clean, like you just stepped out of the shower clean. This step is crucial because it removes any sweat, oils, or lotions that might interfere with the wax grabbing onto your hairs. Think of it like this. A clean canvas gives you the smoothest, most flawless results. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece on a dirty, oily surface. It just wouldn't work, right? The same principle applies here. Clean skin ensures that the wax adheres properly, making hair removal more effective and less painful. And don't forget to exfoliate. Exfoliating your skin a day before waxing helps to remove dead skin cells, allowing the wax to grip the hairs better. This not only makes the process smoother, but also helps in preventing ingrown hairs. After waxing, it's important to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Use a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to soothe your skin and keep it looking its best. So remember babes, a little preparation goes a long way. Clean, exfoliate, and moisturize for the best waxing results. Your skin will thank you, and you'll be ready to show off that flawless, smooth look with confidence. Just like we have different skin types when it comes to makeup, it's important to recognize that our skin's needs extend to other beauty treatments as well. The same goes for waxing. Waxing isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and understanding the different types of wax available can make a huge difference in your skincare routine. Not all waxes are created equal, and choosing the right one for your skin and hair type is crucial. There are soft waxes, hard waxes, sugar waxes, and even fruit waxes, each with its own unique properties and benefits. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a gentle formula like hard wax, which is amazing for those delicate areas. Hard wax adheres to the hair rather than the skin, making it less painful and reducing the risk of irritation. For coarser hair, you might need a stronger grip, so look for a wax specifically designed for that. Strong waxes are formulated to tackle thick, stubborn hair, ensuring a smooth finish. Sugar wax is another great option, especially for those who prefer natural ingredients. Made from sugar, lemon, and water, it's gentle on the skin and can be a fantastic alternative for those with allergies or sensitivities to traditional waxes. Fruit waxes, enriched with fruit extracts, not only remove hair but also nourish the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. They are perfect for those who want an added skincare benefit from their waxing session. Trust me, taking the time to find your perfect match will make the entire experience so much better. Whether you choose hard wax, strong wax, sugar wax, or fruit wax, understanding your skin and hair type will lead to a more comfortable and effective waxing experience. Okay ladies, safety first. Before you slather that hot wax on, we need to do a little temperature check. Dip a small amount of wax onto the inside of your wrist. It should be warm, not scalding hot. You want it to glide smoothly without burning your skin. This step is so important, especially if you're new to waxing. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Chapter 4. Now let's talk about application. When applying the wax, always remember to go in the direction of hair growth. This helps the wax to grip the hairs properly and minimizes breakage, which can lead to those pesky ingrown hairs. It might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes a world of difference in getting a clean and smooth finish. Chapter 5. When it comes to waxing, less is definitely more. You don't need a thick layer of wax to get the job done. In fact, a thin layer is actually more effective. It allows the wax to grip the hairs better and makes the removal process so much smoother and less painful, plus it's less messy. Chapter 6. Here's where things get real. When removing the strip, hold your skin taut with one hand and with the other. Pull the strip off in one swift parallel motion, and remember, the quicker the better. This minimizes pain and ensures that all the hairs come out cleanly. Chapter 7. One thing I've learned over the years is the importance of holding your skin taut while pulling off the strip. This helps to minimize pain and discomfort and also ensures that the hairs are removed from the root. Don't be scared to really hold that skin tight. It makes a world of difference. Chapter 8. Once you've removed the strip, immediately apply pressure to the waxed area with your hand. This helps to soothe the skin and reduce any redness or irritation. It's like giving your skin a little hug after a mini workout. Chapter 9. After waxing, your skin deserves a little TLC. Apply a soothing lotion or oil to the area to calm any irritation and keep your skin feeling soft and hydrated. This step is crucial for preventing dryness and ingrown hairs, and it just feels amazing after waxing. Chapter 10. Give it a break. For the next 24 hours after waxing, try to avoid sun exposure, tight clothing, and harsh products. This will help to prevent irritation, ingrown hairs, and any potential pigmentation issues. Think of it as a time for your skin to breathe and recover. Chapter 11. Exfoliation is key. Exfoliation is your best friend when it comes to preventing ingrown hairs. A couple of times a week, gently exfoliate the waxed area to remove dead skin cells and keep your skin smooth. This will help to keep those pesky ingrown hairs at bay and ensure that your next waxing session is even smoother. Chapter 12. Consistency is queen. And finally, my loves, consistency is key. The more regularly you wax, the finer and sparser your hair will grow back. This means less pain and smoother results over time. So, try to stick to a regular waxing schedule. Your skin will thank you for it. That's it for my 12 secrets to waxing like a pro. I hope you enjoyed learning these tips and tricks as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Waxing can seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and practice, it becomes a breeze. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel confident to take your waxing game to the next level. Remember, smooth and beautiful skin is just a few steps away. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your technique, these secrets are sure to help you achieve salon-quality results at home. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Try different types of wax, various application techniques, and see what gives you the best results. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your waxing skills. And most importantly, always listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin reacts to different products and techniques. If you notice any irritation or discomfort, take a step back and reassess your approach. Your skin's health should always be your top priority. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Estheticians and skincare experts can provide valuable insights and personalized advice to help you achieve the best results. They can also recommend products that are suited to your skin type and address any specific issues you might have. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue to create content that you love. Plus, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of my future videos. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your biggest waxing wins and fails. I love hearing from you guys. Your feedback and experiences are incredibly valuable, not just to me but to everyone in our community. Sharing your stories helps us all learn and grow together. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking care of yourself. Your journey to perfect waxing is just beginning, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next video. Gap 2S. Before we wrap up, let's quickly debunk some common waxing myths. Myth number 1. Waxing makes your hair grow back thicker. False. Waxing actually weakens the hair follicle over time, resulting in finer and sparser hair regrowth. Myth number 2. You can't wax if you have sensitive skin. Not true. There are gentle waxes and techniques designed specifically for sensitive skin. Myth number 3. Waxing is unbearably painful. While waxing can be uncomfortable, using the right techniques and products can significantly reduce pain. Remember, everyone's pain tolerance is different, and with practice, it gets easier. Gap 2S. Don't let these myths hold you back from achieving smooth, beautiful skin. Educate yourself, experiment, and find what works best for you. Your waxing journey is unique, and with the right knowledge, you can make it a successful one. Thanks for sticking around for this bonus segment. Until next time, happy waxing. Gentle, soothing music fades in. Narrator. If you have sensitive skin, waxing can seem daunting. But with the right practices, you can achieve smooth results without irritation. First, always opt for waxes specifically formulated for sensitive skin. These often contain soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. Secondly, prep your skin by cleansing and exfoliating gently a day before your waxing session. This helps to remove dead skin cells and allows the wax to adhere better to the hair. Thirdly, perform a patch test. Apply a small amount of wax to a less sensitive area of your skin to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. Finally, after waxing, calm your skin with a cooling gel or lotion. Avoid hot showers, tight clothing, and heavy exercise for at least 24 hours to reduce the risk of irritation. Gentle, soothing music fades out. Narrator. By following these best practices, you can make your waxing experience more comfortable and effective. Remember, your skin deserves the best care, especially when it's sensitive. Happy waxing. Gentle, investigative music fades in. Narrator DIY waxing kits have become increasingly popular, but are they worth it? Let's dive in. First, convenience is a major plus. You can wax at home on your own schedule without the need for salon appointments. Second, cost effectiveness. DIY kits are often cheaper than regular salon visits. However, there are some downsides. The quality of wax in DIY kits may not be as high as professional-grade products, potentially leading to less effective results. Additionally, improper technique can cause skin irritation or even injury. It's crucial to follow the instructions carefully and perform a patch test. Curious, investigative music fades out. Narrator. So, are DIY waxing kits worth it? They can be, if used correctly. But for the best results and safety, sometimes it's worth investing in professional services. Happy waxing. Narrator, balanced, informative music fades in. When it comes to waxing, should you go professional or stick to at-home treatments? Let's break it down. Scene transition. Professional waxing offers expertise and high-quality products. Estheticians are trained to provide effective and safe hair removal, minimizing pain and skin irritation. Scene transition. However, at-home waxing gives you flexibility and cost savings. You can wax on your own schedule and in the comfort of your home. Scene transition. But remember, technique matters. Improper at-home waxing can lead to skin damage and ineffective results. Scene transition. In the end, the choice depends on your comfort level, budget, and desired results. Choose wisely and happy waxing. Balanced, informative music fades out. Narrator, cautionary educational music fades in. Waxing mistakes can lead to discomfort and subpar results. Let's highlight some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Scene transition. First, avoid waxing on irritated or broken skin. This can exacerbate the issue and cause more harm. Scene transition. Next, don't rush the process. Take your time to ensure you're applying the wax correctly and pulling it off at the right angle. Scene transition. Using the wrong type of wax for your skin or hair type can also lead to poor results and unnecessary pain. Scene transition. Finally, skipping aftercare can result in irritation and ingrown hairs. Always follow up with a soothing lotion or oil. Scene transition. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll achieve smoother, more effective results every time. Cautionary, educational music fades out. Narrator, calm, informative music fades in. Waxing different body parts requires different techniques. Let's break it down. Scene transition. For the face, use a gentle wax and always test a small area first to avoid irritation. For the legs, apply the wax in the direction of hair growth and remove it against the grain for the smoothest results. Scene transition. When waxing underarms, make sure the skin is dry and taut. This area can be sensitive, so be gentle. For the bikini line, use a hard wax as it's more effective on coarse hair and less painful. Scene transition. Finally, for the back, ask for help or visit a professional. It's a tricky area to do alone. Scene transition. By tailoring your waxing technique to each body part, you'll achieve optimal results with minimal discomfort. Calm, informative music fades out. Narrator, smooth, relaxing music fades in, keeping your skin smooth and silky. Post-waxing involves a few key steps. Scene transition to video of someone applying moisturizer. First, moisturize daily. Scene transition to video of someone drinking water. Second, stay hydrated. Scene transition to video of someone using sunscreen. Third, protect your skin from the sun. Scene transition to video of someone wearing loose clothing. Finally, wear loose clothing for a few days post-waxing to avoid friction and irritation. Scene transition to video showing smooth skin. By following these simple tips, you'll keep your skin smooth, healthy, and glowing. Smooth, relaxing music fades out. Narrator, welcome to our waxing FAQ section. Let's answer some common questions you might have. Scene transition to video of ? Graphic. Narrator, how long does waxing last? Scene transition to video of calendar flipping through days. Typically, waxing can keep your skin smooth for 3 to 6 weeks depending on your hair growth cycle. Narrator. Does waxing hurt? Scene transition to video of someone wincing slightly. Pain levels vary, but the discomfort usually decreases with regular waxing. Narrator. Can you wax if you have sensitive skin? Scene transition to video of close-up on sensitive skin. Absolutely, but it's crucial to use gentle, hypoallergenic products. Narrator. How do you prepare for a waxing session? Scene transition to video of someone exfoliating. Exfoliate your skin 24 hours before and avoid applying lotions or oils on the day of your appointment. Narrator. What should you do after waxing? Scene transition to video of someone applying aloe vera gel. Soothe your skin with aloe vera and avoid hot showers or tight clothing for at least 24 hours. Narrator. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Scene transition to video of comment section. Narrator. As we wrap up, let's reflect on some final thoughts and tips for successful waxing. Scene transition to video of a serene beach sunset. Remember, consistency is key to achieving smooth, long-lasting results. Scene transition to video of a calendar being marked. Make waxing a regular part of your routine. Scene transition to video of a person consulting with an esthetician. Always listen to your skin. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Scene transition to video of someone gently applying lotion to their legs. And finally, take care of your skin post-waxing. Hydrate, moisturize, and protect it to keep it looking its best. Scene transition to video of a person smiling and giving a thumbs up. Thank you for joining us on this waxing journey. We hope you found these tips helpful. Scene transition to video of a subscribe button being clicked. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and advice. Happy waxing!